Floor plan makes it easy to design the seating arrangements for any event. Start by giving your plan a name and choosing your display preferences. Clearance adjusts the recommended space to keep clear between furniture items. If you've used other design tools, this layout may feel familiar. The top includes tools used to select items, create walls, draw shapes, add labels, and measure distances. There are also buttons to import images, export your design, and open preferences. On the right is the Inspector and Layers panel. The Inspector can be used for Design, to control and customize the selected item, Furniture, to browse and add furniture items to your design, and Guests, where you or a collaborator can assign guests to their seats. Central to floor plan is the canvas, a large design surface that often extends beyond what's currently in view. To move around, click the canvas and drag to reposition the view. When your cursor is within the canvas area, use scroll to adjust the zoom level. You can reset the zoom or use finer control movements with the controls in the top bar. The first step of any floor plan is to create your space, either by drawing a new layout or uploading an existing drawing. To create a new design, select the Wall tool and click to add the first and second corners. From the inspector, you can see the length of each wall and adjust the placement of your corners. When you're done, select Finish Wall Here or press Create a Room to automatically connect the last corner back to the first. If you already have a drawing of the space, select Upload and import your image. You can correct the rotation before ensuring Lock Image is selected in the inspector. Locking your image prevents the canvas from unintentionally repositioning the image when moving around. It's essential that any uploaded images are set to the correct scale, so furniture can be placed proportionately. Your image should have a reference line that you know the distance of, such as a wall. Position the canvas so your reference is visible, and then from the inspector, press Set Scale. Click the start and end of your reference line and enter the correct dimension in the input field. Your image will automatically be resized and can be confirmed using the measurement tool. The Furniture tab includes common configurations of tables and chairs to add to your design. Click to add it to your canvas and then drag it into position. With the item selected, the inspector allows you to control almost all of the properties. Rectangular tables can adjust the number of chairs positioned on each side. For example, banquet-style seating can be achieved by setting the seat numbers on the ends to 0. Seats on circular tables are distributed evenly. You can adjust the table diameter and the number of seats. The Shape tool allows you to add extra areas such as a bar or dance floor. Combined with the Label tool, you can add important context and annotations to your design. Once your floor plan is ready, guests can be allocated to seats from the Guest tab. You can see an overview of seats available and the guest allocation. If this event is for a smaller group, set a filter to only include guests with a matching tag. To assign a guest, search or select their name from the drop-down. You can also move guests between seats by dragging and dropping them in the canvas. Use the Layers panel to control what is shown in your canvas and your export. It may be useful to share your plan with suppliers and include relevant information such as meal choice for caterers and guest names for stationers. Click the PDF button to generate a printable version of your design. The exported document contains the full layout and a manifest for each table. Deep integrations with guest list and RSVP keep guest information always up to date, such as allergies and meal choice. Floor and seat plans are highly collaborative. Your designs are automatically saved and synced between collaborators, so you're always working on the latest version.